too. But the name comes from the Yellowstone River, and there's an area outside of the park. And first, we know Native Americans, Indians, called it Yellow Banks, and they translated it into French, and then they translated it into English, and somehow Yellow Riverbanks became Yellowstone, and were named after the river which goes through the park.
Right.
So a lot of people think it's because of the waterfall, the yellow rock, and it's kind of yellow. This isn't a great picture, but it's actually kind of a mistranslation from the Native American to French to English.
Mistranslation. Brilliant.
And you guys know how some things get messed up when you translate
Right.
Spanish to English and back to Spanish, right?
Yeah, oh, yeah, we know.
So that's kind of our name.
Yeah.
It was named after the river outside of the park.
Excellent. There's still one more question. Ma?
Right?
What are the temperatures of the water on one of these geysers?
Can you repeat it again?
What are the temperatures of the water in one of these geysers?
What's the temperature of the water in one of these geysers?
It does vary, but when it erupts, it's usually coming out close to the boiling, so about 100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius.
People have been burned, and in 2000, the year your teacher was there, am I scared what?
About the volcano caldera.
About the volcano.
Now, our scientists will let us know probably months ahead of time.
Activity.
So much what?
Seismic activity.
Yeah, because underneath Yellowstone National Park is a huge volcano. So when we look at a map of Yellowstone National Park, and remember it's 100 kilometers by 80 kilometers, this is the volcano. I've seen bears, I've seen wolves, fox, coyote, elk, deer, moose. But one animal, and we have rabbits or hares, and I've seen lots of birds, but I have not seen this one yet, are the geysers. Did you guys study geysers?
Yeah.
So this is Old Faithful, is a picture of Old Faithful, and it's the most famous geyser.